to talk about graphing exponential functions. The exponential function is defined by the rule f of x is equals to a raised to x. Consider the table of the ordered pairs on the left side, and then find a few plot points. Plotting the points. This is how it should look like. If there's no plot points, just shimmy along with the x-intercept and then connect the plot points. These are very incorrect graphs, so never do this. Always remember, in graphing, this is the way it should be graphed. Like positive, positive, negative, negative.
Created using Powtoon.